Welcome to Pampered Chef Cooking with Rob. I'm Rob. Tonight we're going to make goulash, or in some parts of the country known as American Chop Suey. So come back and see how I make this delicious dish. We'll be using several Pampered Chef products this evening to make our goulash, or like I said, in some parts of the country known as American Chop Suey, which I've never heard that term before, but apparently that's what it's known as in some parts of the country. We're going to be featuring this evening our cast iron, enamel coated cast iron, 6-quart Dutch oven. So this evening we'll be using that to do all of our cooking. One pot stop makes it convenient, easy, great heat retention. We're going to be using, of course, our normal Santoku knife, our cutting mat, measuring cup, measuring spoon, and wooden spoon to stir with. So we'll be using several Pampered Chef items throughout the evening, but you can sit back and enjoy our making of goulash. Okay, I'm back. What a great recipe. A lot of great ingredients. It smells so good in here. This is the time you need your smell-o-vision, your Pampered Chef Cooking with Rob smell-o-vision. I used quite a few more Pampered Chef products than I thought I was going to use. I forgot I hadn't cut everything up and had to prep and do all that kind of stuff. So what I'm going to do is, actually, if you go back and watch the video, if you can count how many Pampered Chef items that I used in this video, the total that I used in this video, your next Pampered Chef order, I will give you 10% off. So go back and count. Leave me a message in the comments and see if you can figure out how many Pampered Chef items I used in making the product. So here we are. We've got our goulash, or American Chop Suey, and I set a bowl aside so that I can so it could cool a little bit, because I want to taste, and so I thought I'd give it a taste here before we go. Oh wow, wow, the flavors with the various spices, Italian seasoning from Pampered Chef. What I really like is you could cook this a little longer, and the onions and the celery and everything would be really kind of mushy, but they're just right here, where they've got just a little bit of a crisp. Not hard, not raw, but just a little bit of a crisp. I love that. The flavors in here blend together. This is going to be a great go-to dish. Perfect size pot for this dish, the 6-quart cast iron enamel Pampered Chef dish. It was perfect. So be sure and like our video, share the video, and be sure and comment how many Pampered Chef items you find in the video down below. And more than anything, be sure and subscribe to the channel. We've got a lot more videos coming up, a lot of good recipes still to show. Thanks for joining us with Pampered Chef Cooking with Rob.